Therapy alone is not going to stop the AIDS epidemic. The number of new cases of HIV have increased by a staggering 15%. We're not talking about a cure for HIV itself. We're actually talking about a potential breakthrough that could reduce the numbers of new infections. And pre-exposure prophylaxis with this type of antivirals has the potential to put a significant dent in the further spread of HIV and AIDS. And the way it's done is administering those drugs to people that are not infected.
What we were looking for was an approach that could simplify the need that is so great throughout the world to find a way to prevent new transmissions of HIV. We found that in addition to vaginal transmission in this new study, it can prevent rectal transmission. And even more impressive, I believe, is the fact that it could prevent intravenous transmission.
We seem to have been able to stumble on what could be a universal approach to prevent HIV transmission. A single type of drug combination that could be administered to a variety of different populations at risk that could receive this medication and in essence be protected from acquiring the virus. That's great news because, again, for the first time, we will be one step ahead of the virus in its transmission, and we'll be able to be prepared for the eventuality that drug-resistant viruses will appear, not only for treatment, but also for the prevention of HIV transmission. What sets this model apart from anything that's been ever done in the past is the fact that we're actually using the same viruses that actually infect humans. These are human viruses infecting human cells. And we're looking at the effect of drugs that are actually used in humans. So this is a system that in a way recapitulates what you want to see in patients.
We're looking for something that gives people power to protect themselves even if they can't always control what happens to their own body. We can go back and validate and have a small animal model for HIV prevention that will be the first validated model out there to move forward into new ideas.